Hi dear students, I am yours Rashma Tisa. Today we are going to discuss the subject mathematics. Today we are going to learn the topic Roman numbers. In our school, some divisions is there. Is it? What is the divisions? First A, then first B, first C, then second A, you know that, then second B, then third A, third B, then fourth A, then fourth B, etc. Some divisions is there in our school. So on this division, this one and this is, and these are the Roman numbers. All of you clear the Roman number? So 1, 2, 3 and etc. 4 etc. These are the Roman numbers. Okay. We use digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to write Roman numbers. The ancient Indian mathematician developed a numeral system. It is called the Hindu-Arabic system. Okay. In long ago, the Romans are used 7 alphabets to write the numbers. What are the numbers? First, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 letters of the alphabet. So, on this class, the Roman numbers, the Hindu, Arabic number. So these are the Roman numbers. The Hindu-Arabic number means the numbers. Okay. Then 1, V, X, L, C, D and M. So if you look 1, 5 is in 1, V is in 5, X is in 10, L is in 50, C is in 100 and D is in 500 and M is in 1000. So this is the values. Okay. The Roman numeral I represent the value, the digit 1. The Roman number V represent 5 and X represent 10. L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. Okay, these letters we put together, write the numbers according to some rules. Okay, then first one, numbers 1 to 39. On this class, we have to write the numbers from 1 to 39. Okay, numbers 1 to 39. Okay, the symbols I, V and X are used to form the numbers 1 to 39. That means forming numbers 1 to 39, we have using the English alphabets 1, V and X. Okay. And before that, after we will write the one table. Roman number and another is in Hindu, Arabic number. The Roman number I represent the number 1 and Roman number 2 is representing 2. The Roman number 3 is representing the digit 3. The Roman number 4 is 4. Then 5. Then Roman number 6 represent the number 6 and 7, 8, 9 and 10. So all of you clear? So using the digits, 3 digits or 3 alphabets I, B, X to form the number 1 to 39. I told using the letters we put together to write the number according to some rules. So all of you look at the first rule. Rule 1. I and X is repeated 3 times. Okay, the maximum number of repeating the letters I and X is 3 times. V cannot be repeated. Okay, V cannot be repeated. I and X can be repeated in 3 times. All of you look at this. All of you look at this table. I is repeated how many times? 2 times. Okay, that means the number 2. Then this is I is repeated how many times? 3 times. At that time the value comes 3. All of you look at this is only 1 I, that means the value is in 1. It has 2 I's, that means the value is 1 plus 1, that is in 2. Then next look, I is 3 times, that means the value is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is in 3. Okay, the same way, X is in 10. What about X? X, it can be written as 10 plus 10. What is the value? 20. And also, X, that means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is in 30. So, V cannot be repeated. That is the first rule. Okay, then write the second rule. Rule 2. I to the left of V or X means subtracted. I to the left of V or X means subtraction. That means I can be I to the left of V. At that time, it will subtract. It means subtract. That means what is the value of 5? V, that is in 5. The value of V is in 5. I is there on the left of V. That means 5 minus 1. That means I to the left of V or X. Here, where is the position of I? To the left of V. That means it is subtract. V means 5 and I means 1. That is 5 minus 1. The value is 4. Okay. And also, I is to the left of V or X. That means X this way. I to the left of X. That means it means subtraction. X means 10. 10 minus 1. I means 1. 10 minus 1, 9. That is the second property. I to the left of V or X means subtraction. That is the second rule. The third rule is in rule 3. I to the right of V or X means addition. That means VI. That means I comes to the right of V. That means VI. The value of V is 5. Then right. That means it comes positive. Then the value of I is in 1. That is 5 plus 1. What is the value? 6. And also, this is right is there. The value of P 5. It is 1. And also 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is in 7. Okay. The next. What is the? That is in the right is there. That means the value of X is 10 and the value of I is 1 and also I is in 1. So what is the value? 12. So this is the another rule. The next one, the last rule, rule 4. Rule 4. Rule 4 is to write the number greater than X. To write the number greater than X or more than X, there are expanded in tens and ones. The appropriate symbol is used. Okay. To write the number greater than X, it is expanded in tens and ones. The appropriate symbol is used. That means we will write the number 15. 15 can be changed as the tens and ones. That means 15 can be reduced as 10 plus 5. That means 15 can be reduced as 1 10 plus 5 ones. 15 can be reduced as 1 10 plus 5 ones. Is it? So that means 10 plus 5. The symbol 10 is X. And the symbol 5 is in V. So it's an addition. That means we will write the left. Okay. X, V. At that time, it will add. It means add. Okay. The next. 23. 23 means how many tens? It has 2 tens. And how many ones? 3 ones. That means we will write 20 plus 3. 20 we will write as 10 plus 10 plus 3. What is 10? 10 is in X. And again 1 10 is there. That X and we will write 3. Okay. The next. Next write 25. 25 we have to write 20 plus 5. That means 2 tens and 5 ones. That means 20 we have to write 10 plus 5. 10 is in X and again X and 5. Okay, the next 34. 34 we will write 3 tens and ones. That means 30 plus 4. That is, we have to write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. 10 is in x and again 10 x and again x then 4. Okay? Clear? So how will you write? 32. 32 half, how many tens? 32 half, 3 tens and how many ones? 2 ones. That means we will write 3 tens. That means 30 plus how many ones? 2 ones. That means 30 we have to write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus then 2. The Roman number of 10 is x, then again x, then 2. So this is the Roman numeral. Okay. The next one is in odd and even numbers. Odd and even. So what is an odd number? The number that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. The number is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. What's the even number? The numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So now if we look at this question. The number end with which number? That means the number in the ones place. So look at the ones place. What is the number? 2. That means 2 is in the even number. So this number is on the even number. That means the number end with 2. That is 2 is the even number. That means 2492 is an even number. The next. The number end with 1. That means 1. The number end with the digit 1 come. That will be odd number. So it is an odd number. Okay. Clear? The number end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That is an even number. The numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 is an odd number. All of you clear today's portion? Roman number and even and odd numbers. All of you clear? Thank you.